In this video, I will walk you through the process of generating QR code from database query. If you get what you want from this video, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The first thing we want to do is to create a new application. Give your application a name. In this case, I call it QRCODE example. Click create. Before we do anything, we are going to be using a JavaScript. So now we're going to search for that JavaScript. Type QRCODE JavaScript. Select the JavaScript created by David Shims, second one in this case. Some of the code here we're going to be using during the course of this demo, but for now I would like to save the file, the minified version of QRCODE JavaScript, QRCODE min.js. So you go to the Eclipse button. That will show you the download. Download it to your computer and know the location where you downloaded it. So now we're going to go back into the application. We're going to go to Share Component. Click on Static Application Files. Create file, then import the file, the minified version of the file that we downloaded. Click open. There is no need to name anything here, just click create. You go back to the static application file. So you will see the reference name for the file that we just imported. So take a note of that, copy that into a location. Now go back to the application, go to home, go to the root of your application. And look for file URL. This is where you're going to paste that reference. Now you have associated the file to your application. Then you have something that you're going to be putting in the function and global variable. So let's go back to GitHub. You copy that line. We're going to be making modification to the line. Go back to your application, paste it. You can expand that view so that we can modify it. So you're going to remove certain portion of this because we don't need them. Put semicolon. Click OK. At this point, we're going to try to create a region under body. We name our region employee report. For type, we can select classic report. We keep location as local database. We need to change the type under source to SQL query. So let's go ahead and type the select statement for this query. Let's open it so that we can see it clearly. You can see some of the codes are now properly formatted, so we're going to fix that. After the codes are fixed, click validate. So you can see it's successfully validated. And I want to alias the last selection to QR code. Validate again, click OK. Expand the column. At this point, we want to save and run the report just to see what it looks like. So now we're going to change the QR code column to QR code. So let's go back into our page. We select QR code. We go to the column formatting section. There is a code that we have to paste there. So I'm typing the code now. So this is binding the reference to our body, the region of this report. Let's go ahead and fix the formatting issue here. There is a typo on script and source. I'm going to fix those. Click OK. Click Save. We go back to GitHub. We're going to copy this piece of code here. Go back to our application. Scroll down to HTML expression under column formatting. Explode it. Paste it. And let's make a couple of modifications here. We change QR code to code -hash emp number hash. Remember, emp number is the column, from my query. So it has to be the column from your query. So QR code is also another column from my query. Click OK. Save and run. So this brings us to the end of the video. You can see that the QR code is there now. Thank you for watching.